Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, the weekend edition of August the 3rd, August the 3rd, and August the 4th, 2024. Yes, it's today Sunday, August the 4th. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary, and it's binary time. Yes, binary time. This one will be number 9026. 9026. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18 printed digits. That's a lot. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this should be a 1. Of course, between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. If I place the 4th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Of course, between two O's comes a 1. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between two O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. Took me a lot of time, but we solved again. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.